Hi there. In this video, we will cover TechView Follow Ups. TechView Follow Ups can be assigned by technicians when answering check sheet questions. These will be logged in TechMan as potential advisories to be followed up and actioned at a later date. Hover over the Jobs tab and select TechView Follow Ups. From here, we can use the filter to search for specific vehicles, customers, or any other criteria logged. Additionally, we can search by the follow-up date. By scrolling down, we can see existing follow-up added by technicians in TechView. First, we see by color if it's past the date of the originally logged follow-up date. Then we get a reference to job number, booking date, registration, customer, telephone number, follow-up date, check sheet, question, and attention level. On the right-hand side, we can click View to go into the check sheet results from the logged follow-up. Here we can see any additional advisories or issues we may want to raise when contacting this customer. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.